The sound of one hand clapping. A young monk named Kenji sought enlightenment. Restless and eager, he approached the old Zen master Hoshi. "Master," Kenji asked, "what must I do to attain wisdom?" Hoshi smiled and handed Kenji a single-hand fan. "Listen carefully," he said. "What is the sound of one hand clapping?" Confused, Kenji waved the fan, clapped it against his palm, even struck it against the ground, but no sound of clapping emerged. Frustrated, he returned to the master. "I do not understand," Kenji admitted. "How can one hand clap?" Hoshi chuckled and led him to the garden. He pointed to the wind rustling the leaves, the stream trickling over rocks, the distant laughter of children. "Do you hear that?" Hoshi asked. "Yes," Kenji replied. "The sound of one hand clapping is the silence between noise, the space between action. True wisdom is not found in answers, but in understanding what cannot be spoken." Kenji sat beneath the cherry blossoms, listening, not just with his ears, but with his whole being. For the first time, he understood. Enlightenment was not in seeking, but in being. And in that moment, the sound of one hand clapping became clear.